Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Descript Studio for transcription cleanup step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Descript Studio. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button located in the upper right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. After entering your email, move to the password field. Type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once your email and password are correctly entered, click on the Login button. The system will authenticate your details. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Descript Studio dashboard. From here, locate and select the project you wish to work on. If you don't see your project, ensure you are in the correct folder or workspace. Click on the project to open it. Now, you are ready to begin your transcription cleanup. Review the existing transcription for any inaccuracies or errors. Make necessary edits to improve the text. Use the available tools in Descript Studio to enhance your workflow. Once you have completed your edits, ensure to save your changes. You have now successfully logged into Descript Studio for your transcription cleanup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.